How to get job as a physiotherapist in New Zealand. If you are here, then I'll recommend you to go and check out my part 1 of this video. You will understand what are the different pathways of the registration. So once you have got the registration and the APC, the next comes the job hunting. So you can do from your own country, as well as if you're here in New Zealand, you can do it from New Zealand too. So the one thing which is very much important is having a CV. So they have a format of the CV. Usually it shouldn't be too much fancy. It should have all your details which is required, like the basic details, along with what are the skills you have or you have been doing in your work. Apart from that, one of the major criteria nowadays, which is important, is your work visa. So if you have the status of work visa in here, finding a job in New Zealand is much more easier. At present, due to the current world situation, the employers are not that keen to take physios from different countries or to bear the fees of that employer assisted work visa. So if you are in New Zealand and if you have the permit of work visa, it is much more easier to get a job rather than applying from your own country. So now the next question arises is, if somebody comes in here in a visit visa, will it make much more easier for them to find a job? The answer is no. The reason behind it, nowadays, it has become much more difficult for the employer to assist you with the work visa, and also the cost of the work visa employer assisted has risen up. So now the employers are taking the easy pathway and are declining not to take physios unless until they have their job. The employer requires certain skill which only that person can do. So yes, it is very, very difficult, but it is not impossible. So if you keep on trying, you never know that you will get an opportunity. But to keep trying, you should possess certain things like the registration and the APC, which I have mentioned in my previous video. Do check that out. Thank you very much.